Okay, hello everyone. Okay, let's start today about new knowledge in e-video topic. Okay, I will share this e-video to public and to SWAT Academy. Okay, so the topic is money management. Money management is very important to everyone. Okay, especially for newbie. So you need to know the topic. This topic you need to learn. Okay, this topic for money management not about lot size 0.01. Okay, not about 0.01. Okay. Sometimes other channel told you use proper money management with use 0.01 or small lot size. Okay, actually you need to know the rule of money management. Okay, first, okay, this is topic money management. Okay, this is a part of I will cover. Okay, 5 topic actually. Okay, you need to know. Okay, first, decide how much risk per trade. Okay, one of important money management technique in forex trading is we call risk per trade technique. Okay, what is risk per trade technique? You need to determine how much your trading account you are risking in risking any single trade. Okay, example like this. Okay, if I give gold sell now. Okay, gold sell now. This is signal. Okay, this is signal. Okay, this is per trade. Or round one. Okay, you need to know how much risk you need to take risk for this setup. Okay, example, you use 0.30 for total lot size. Okay, what if loss hit SL? So you need to calculate it. Okay, maybe you lost around $200 maybe $200. So you need to know how much risk you need to trade. You need to take risk any single trade. Okay, so at least you need to know 20% risk or 30% risk. Example, you have $1,000. Once any single entry and any single trade, you need to know, or you willing to lose $200 for 20% only. Okay, you need to know how much risk per trade. Okay, this is very important. Okay, so you need to, after this, you need to know how much you willing to lose. Okay, every single setup. Okay, next is don't overtrade. Overtrade will kill you. Why? Okay, you don't have max trade every single hour. Okay, and every single day, or you don't need to monitor 24 hours to monitor chart. Okay, it's bad habit actually. So what you need to do is just wait for the trade setup to form, and don't chase the market. Okay, and don't chase market for trading opportunity. Always waiting for confirmation, always waiting the best zone and the best timing. Okay, the market doesn't owe you anything. Okay, the patience and discipline is everything. Always waiting game. Okay, even the best forex trader money management won't help you if you still overtrade, multiple trade without any confirmation. Is very bad habit. Okay, so don't overtrade. Okay, please don't overtrade. Okay, next is split your capital. Okay, what is split your capital? Okay, this is the real money management. Okay, let's say you have $200. So what you need to do is split to account. Okay, don't risk one basket. Okay, try to do this. Okay, first account focus on 30 or 50%. Second account maybe 20 or 30%. But don't trade at same time. Okay, maybe you can use this account at London session, and this is at US session. Sometimes at London session have SL, so use this account for recovery. Okay, have pro and cons, but you need to know if SL, which account you can use to recovery for previous setup SL. Okay, so every account have different risk. Okay, example, this is medium risk and this is high risk. Okay, and every account have different target. Okay, target. So maybe this is 30% or 50%. This is 20%. Okay, got it? Okay, next is use stop loss. What is stop loss? Okay, stop loss is crazy actually. Yes, stop loss. Okay, but for newbie, my suggestion is put stop loss. Okay, example 0.10. Okay, the zone is 20 pips. 0.10. Just use from the zone until the zone 30 pips. 30 pips. Okay, the zone 20 pips. Okay, you can try put SL here. But sometimes gold, okay, gold, the crazy is gold will touch SL and then boom, falling. Again, this is normal for SL hunter, but for me, if hit SL, you can re-entry again. You can re-entry again if you have confidence the zone is sell. Okay, if you have confidence the zoning will keep sell, you can re-entry with double lot size. Okay, with double lot size, I will explain next video. Okay, the next is don't greedy. Okay, don't be greedy. If you want gambling, no need to join forex trading. You can fly to US and play poker maybe. Okay, don't greedy. No need to full margin. No need to put 100% risk at one setup. What if SLN loss? You need to think this one. Okay, no need to greedy. Okay, you need to chill, always chill. You need to know how much risk you trade. Okay, don't risk more than 30% for one capital or one account. Okay, so please, this is the real money management that you need to complete first before you trade. Okay, first you need to have the knowledge. Okay, no need to follow blindly. If go sell now, you put sell now, but you put big lot size. This is crazy. Okay, this is crazy. So you need to know the money management first. Okay, next is how to layer. Okay, my suggestion is for small capital or big capital also, use Martingale layer. Martingale layer strategy. Okay, I give some example. Okay, example, sell. Okay, sell. Okay, let's say this is RSS. Boom. Okay, the zone is 20 or 30 pips. Okay, how to entry? How to entry here? Okay, example here, this is zone sell. Okay, this is zone sell at this one. Okay, so first, if you have $500, my session is 0.05 sell, 0.10, 0.10. Okay, once floating, double lot size at a higher price. Okay, or this is also zone sell 0.03. If you want get a more layer, 0.03, 0.06, 0.06, 0.10. This is Martingale from small to big. Okay, from small to big lot size. Why at the highest price you need to put big lot size? Because one falling, the lot size, this lot size will cover up. Okay, will cover up the floating. Maybe you will gain more than profit. Okay, as it's same to buy. Example to buy. Okay, example to buy 0.01, 0.01, 0.01, 0.05, 0.05. Okay, this is how small to big. Okay, if fly,